Welcome back to the Maths Olympiad series. This is part 3 of our Roman numeral series. If you haven't watched the previous 2 videos, I would recommend watching them first. I have explained the important Roman numerals rules in part 1 and how to convert numbers up to 100 in part 2. I've added the links to both the videos in the description. Now let's take one step further and learn how to convert 3-digit numbers into Roman numerals. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to convert numbers from 101 all the way up to 1000. And don't worry, once you understand the pattern, this is actually quite simple. So let's get started. First, let's recall the basic symbols we learned in the first video. I for 1, V5, X10, L50, C100, D500, M1000. I hope you remember this. Now, let's see the pattern for the hundreds. So, what is 100? 100 is, we know it already, it is C. So, how do you write 200? 200 is C. What is 300? C. What about 400? Can I write it as C 4 times? No. Remember the rule. It cannot be repeated more than 3 times. So what is 400? We use a subtraction rule. So what is 500? 500 is D. Then 400 is 500 minus 100. That is CD. Because you are subtracting, you are placing the smaller numeral before the bigger numeral. That is the rule. So you got 400. Next, what is 600? 600 also use the addition rule and we get it as 500 plus 100. So it is DC. Because you are adding, you are placing the smaller numeral after the bigger numeral. Correct? Similarly, 700. 500 plus 200, so it is a DCC. 800, 500 plus 300, so it is a DCCC. Now what about 900? Can I write it as a DCCCC? No. Again, it is against the rule. So how do I write 900? So what is 1000? 1000 is M. So 900 is 1000 minus 100. Again, using the subtraction rule, I can write 900 as CM. Because it's subtraction, you're writing C. And finally, 1000 is M. So, let's quickly remember the complete pattern. C is 100, CC is 200, CCC is 300, CD 400, D 500, DC 600, DCC 700, DCCC 800, CM 900 and finally M 1000. So these are very important to remember. Okay. Now let's convert some numbers. So what are the steps which are required to convert numbers into Roman numerals? The first step is break the number into hundreds, tens and ones. You have to break the number. That is, for example, if I take 125, I'm breaking the number into hundreds, tens and ones. So what will I get? 100 plus 20 plus 5. Okay. That is the first step. The next step is convert each part. So each part you have to convert. What is 100? C. What is 20? XX. What is 5? V. And the last step is combine. So you have to combine all this. So 125 is nothing but CXXV. Easy? So this is the easiest trick to convert the numbers. Follow these 3 steps. The first step is breaking the number into hundreds, tens and ones. The second step is converting each part. And the third one is you just combine it. Okay, let's try another example. Say 248. So first break it, you get it as 200 plus 40 plus 8. What is 200? cc. What is 40? xl. What is 8? VIII. So this is your next step. The last step is you have to combine everything. So 248 is nothing but cc xl VIII. Clear? Let's try another one. 349. Again break it. Try doing along with me. Okay, 349. You first break it into hundreds, tens and ones. So 300 plus 40 plus 9. 300 is CCC. 40 is XL. 9 is IX. Last step is combining everything. So 349 becomes CCC XLIX. Now notice how easy it becomes when we break the number into parts. Okay. Now let's try a bigger number. Say 675. Okay. 600 plus 70 plus 5. 600 is DC. 70 is LXX. 5 is V. Next step is combining everything. So C70, 675 is DC LXXV. Clear? Now let's try a number which is close to 1000. 999. Okay. Break it. 900 plus 90 plus 9. 900 is CM. 90 is XC. And 9 is IX. So combine everything. 999 is CM XCIX. And one more important point, you don't have to memorize every number from 101 to 1000. Instead, remember the important building blocks: hundreds, tens, and ones. So if you remember these building blocks, it will be easy for you. Like 100 C, 200 CC, 300 CCC, 400 CD. Similarly, and so on. Similarly for tens, x10, xx20, xxx30, xl40, and so on. Ones place 1, I, IV, like that. You need to remember the patterns. So once you know these patterns, you can build almost any number up to 1000. And I have also prepared a simple PDF of these important building blocks for your Olympiad revision. If you want these notes, just comment PDF below and I will share them with you. Let's have a quick recap of what all we have learned. So to convert a number into Roman numeral, you have to follow 3 steps: break, convert, and combine. That's all you need to know. In the next video, we'll turn things around. So far, we have been converting numbers into Roman numerals. Next, we will learn how to convert Roman numerals back into numbers. And once we know both the conversions, we'll be ready to tackle the different types of Maths Olympiad questions based on Roman numerals. And don't forget, if you would like the building blocks PDF, just comment PDF below. Make sure you practice what we have learned today, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing. Bye-bye.